My name is Webster Mobley, and I've been playing drums for about 14, 15 years. I play for a gospel group out of Columbia, South Carolina by the name of Heart of Worship. The sticks I like to use by Collision are the 2Bs. Yes, we all know that the 2Bs are a little on the heavy side, but hey, Collision makes them feel great. They're also light enough to help you get around the kit fluently. The Collision brand has been so helpful thus far, and they have given me what I need to execute the job while I'm on the job. The track I'll be playing for you is called Space Fusion. It's the track I found off of YouTube. It's a drumless track, so y'all sit back and enjoy.